First, turn off the power. Turn off the main power supply. Then immediately turn it on. Next, we need to disconnect these 5 terminals. Now, let's dismantle this control box. This round head screw, this base plate screw. On the left side, there are also 3 flat head screws. Then the cover can be opened. Find a storage box to keep them. Okay, after removing the screws. First, push it firmly backward and to the right. Then lift the right side first. Then open the left side. Okay, after opening the control box. These 2 are the 3 fan ports for the fans. And this one is for the driver. Power cable. This one is for the driver. Just unplug them. After unplugging these 4 connections, replace it. Remove these 6 screws. Okay, after removing the screws, then take a new engineering card for it. Follow the original steps.